This is the Royal Master Grinder's laser wire profile measurement gauge. This system has new advanced hardware and many user-friendly features. The granite table is offered for thermal stability, rigidity, and flatness of mounting platform. The current system available in today's gauges uses the same laser mic head with a high-speed encoder input option on the IntelliPack. The linear data points are now collected with the 0.1 micron linear servo motor table and Gemini servo motor drive. There's a high-speed Parker linear motor with a 1/10 of a micron resolution, built-in encoder for high-accuracy length measurements. The dual monitor displays part print and gauge information. Barcode reading from the operator ID badge or shop floor paperwork is available to speed transition to the next operator. The new gauge system has many user-friendly features. Over the entire history of our laser wire profile measurement gauge, we have developed many useful variations to how the data point analysis is managed. We now offer all of these features password protected and available within each wire recipe. For example, Excel compatible measurement summary files used with Minitab, upload recipe and database files to any disk-like storage device such as a USB stick, a barcode scanning option, the gauge and go, no need for operator to pick intersections or find gauge points, an enhanced settable linear velocities for more data points in critical areas, multiple layers of password protected screens, multiple gauge point setting, the ability to set hours until calibration with advanced warning and lockout, and linear motor utilities for length calibration. This wire profile measurement gauge can be networked to your office computer to retrieve and evaluate database information from a remote supervisor computer. For more information on this product and for an evaluation of how it might benefit your wire grind applications, contact Royal Master Grinders at www.royalmaster.com.